So here we have the Hyundai i20 on a 20 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. From the outside though, you can see that it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. I'm going to start off inside the boot first of all. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well, along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat should you wish to increase this space even further. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But now that we've done a full circle of it, you can see it's in excellent condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. Over on the left-hand side, we have the rev counter and coolant temperature gauge. And on the right-hand side, the speedometer and fuel gauge. In the centre, you can see the main trip computer, which includes the total miles of this car. They are 49,877. You can change information that's displayed over there using buttons on the steering wheel. You can, for example, have a digital readout for the speedometer, and you have various other menus you can access as well, all of which are done with the buttons just here. We have cruise control and speed limiter over that side as well. Then stereo and phone controls on the left-hand side. You can only use the phone controls once you pair the phone up to the car, which is done by hitting the phone icon and following the instructions on screen from there. When it comes to music, we have, of course, got the radio. And as you can see, we've got DAB, FM and AM radio available. If you listen to your own music, you press the media tab here. It's grayed out because nothing is connected or inserted. You can connect up a USB device, an auxiliary device. You can also stream your music wirelessly via Bluetooth audio as well. So loads of ways to listen to your music in this car. And on top of all of that, if I pop the vehicle into reverse, you'll also see we've got a full colour reversing camera as well. Below that, we've got the air conditioning. You can adjust the direction of the air, the fan speed and the temperature. The air conditioning's on at the minute. That's off. Back on again. We have a heated rear screen. And over here, you can recirculate the air that's in the car. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly, depending on the temperature you set over on this dial just here. Underneath that, we have a 12-volt charging socket, auxiliary input, USB input, and a USB charging input just there. We've then got your 5-speed manual gearbox. And lastly, we can turn the parking sensors on and off. And this button will turn off the stop and start. This car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic to save you fuel. That system is off when that light shows. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Mach 1 Cars. We'd love to hear from you soon.